Gasing. First checkpoint. Here go to Petaling Jaya, and here go to Kuala Lumpur. Petaling Jaya. Let's go. Continue to walk many stairs. Yes, this is Watchtower. First checkpoint Watchtower. This one go to Petaling Jaya, go straight. But this lane is this going to Jambatan. Let's go. Okay, so now we need to go to this bridge, and then this is the last checkpoint before reaching the bridge. So now we're gonna go this lane. Let's go. So many steps. Wow. Just now we walked a very steep step and come up here. View, not enough. Now we need to walk back down. Just now we walked the very steep one, and then abandoned house. Okay, first one. Welcome to Kerinci Park.
We are in Kerinci Park, so we are going to walk
The steel bridge, okay? So let's walk. Yeah. So now you see steel bridge. And after we walk this steel bridge, we're gonna going back to Bukit Gasing. Let's go. Let's go. Steel bridge. Okay. Okay. Goodbye this bridge. Bye. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always CityTwin. Bye bye. Selamat menuju. Bye bye Bukit Gasing. Bye bye.